want to see it take off.
It's gonna go for that squirrel right there.
Which one?
Right there.
Oh yeah, he's looking.
I'm just waiting for it. Go get him, Bert.
Sarah. This is animal planet.
Right.
I wonder if you were to throw like something up if it would swing down and get it. I just want to see it fly. Those arm spins.
It was over there, on that tree over there, and it swooped all over here.
Those squirrels are going nuts. They know they're about to die.
It's a dire situation, bro.
Man, he got some eyes.
Man, that thing swooped down. I just saw the corner of my eye.
There's some big bird over there. Like,
Yeah, like, it was on that tree all over there, across the tree, and it just came all over here.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, take off. Let me see what you got.
He's looking for someone like that.
Look at that one over there.
Which one?
The one over there on that tree.
Thing is huge.